My dear brothers and sisters, do you consider yourselves followers of Jesus? I'm sure you do. But my next question is this: why? Why do you follow Jesus? Why do you consider yourselves followers of Jesus? In the gospel, it was said many people followed him. Many people followed him. Why? Because they need something. They are sick, they are hungry, they are lost. They follow Jesus because Jesus gives them what they need. And maybe we are like that sometimes. We go to church, we attend Mass, because what? Because we have something that we need. We want something. Gustong makapasa sa board exam, gustong ma-approve ang visa, gustong gumaling sa sakit, kaya nagsisimba. There is nothing wrong with that. There is nothing wrong with following Jesus because we need something, because it shows that we see Jesus as someone who can satisfy our needs. Di ba? Hindi ka naman lalapit sa isang taong alam mong walang maitutulong sa iyo eh. Hindi ka naman lalapit sa isang tao na alam mong wala ring maibibigay. Lumalapit tayo kay Jesus sapagkat may maibibigay si Jesus sa atin. But, my dear sisters and brothers, we should not follow Jesus only because we need something. We also do not follow Jesus because everything is going fine. These are people whom I sometimes call the fair weather Christians. Alagad ni Jesus, tagasunod ni Jesus, dahil ang lahat ay maganda, ang lahat ay maayos, ang lahat sa kanyang buhay ay tama. Pero kapag nagkasakit na, no? Kapag natanggal na sa trabaho, kapag dumating ang isang trahedya sa buhay niya o sa buhay ng kanyang pamilya, nandoon na ang panlalamig. I can see that sometimes, no? And this is the joke among us parish priests, no? When I was parish priest, Lord, lalo na kung may bagyo, no? Lord, wag naman sa araw ng linggo. Wag naman sanang umulan sa araw ng linggo. Bakit? Kasi kapag umulan sa araw ng linggo, nawawala yung ibang Katoliko eh, no? Di ba? Kita yan eh, no? Kahit sa katedral eh, pag malakas ang ulan, wala halos tao. Yun yung fair weather Christians. Sumusunod dahil maganda ang panahon. Sumusunod dahil maayos ang buhay. But, my dear sisters and brothers, it will not always be like that. Life will not always be smooth. Life will not always be in accordance to what we want. But still, do we follow Jesus? My dear brothers and sisters, Mary is our model of following. Mary is our model of discipleship. She followed Jesus no matter what. She followed Jesus during joyful days. She followed Jesus even during sorrowful days. And now, she is still following Jesus in glorious days. Let us not be fair weather Christians. Let us not only follow Jesus because we need something. Let us follow Jesus because we know that our life will not be complete without Him. Amen.